Welcome to our journey through the financial future, where we'll unveil the best growth stocks poised for unprecedented success over the next decade. These aren't just any stocks, they are the torchbearers of innovation, the pioneers of progress, ready to redefine industries and reward those who dare to dream alongside them. This is more than an exploration, it's your gateway to the potential of a lifetime. Welcome to the future of investing. DaVita Inc., a leader in the healthcare sector, particularly known for its dialysis services, presents a compelling case as a growth stock to hold over the next 10 years. The narrative of DaVita's growth potential is deeply interwoven with the evolving landscape of global healthcare needs and the company's strategic positioning within this domain. At the heart of DaVita's growth story is the unfortunate but rising prevalence of chronic kidney disease, CKD, and end-stage renal disease, ESRD, globally. This trend is driven by aging populations and the increasing incidence of diabetes and hypertension. As these conditions escalate, so does the demand for dialysis services, positioning DaVita at the nexus of a critical and growing healthcare need. DaVita's strategic initiatives have been meticulously designed to not only expand its footprint, but also to innovate in care delivery. The company has consistently invested in research and technology to enhance the efficacy and efficiency of dialysis treatments. These advancements not only improve patient outcomes, but also drive operational efficiencies, reducing costs and improving margins over the long term. Moreover, DaVita has shown a strong commitment to expanding its global presence. With operations spanning multiple countries, the company is not just relying on the domestic U.S. market, but is tapping into the global increase in demand for dialysis services. This international diversification serves as a hedge against regional economic downturns and regulatory changes, thereby providing a more stable growth trajectory. Financial health and strategic acquisitions also play a critical role in DaVita's growth narrative. The company has demonstrated prudent financial management, maintaining a balance between leveraging opportunities for expansion and managing debt. Additionally, strategic acquisitions have allowed DaVita to enter new markets and expand its service offerings, further solidifying its market position and setting the stage for future growth. The evolving healthcare landscape, characterized by a push towards value-based care, also bodes well for DaVita. The company's integrated care models, which focus on patient outcomes and cost efficiency, align well with this shift. As payers and providers increasingly prioritize value over volume, DaVita's models could become increasingly relevant, potentially opening up new revenue streams and partnerships. In summary, DaVita Inc. stands as a compelling growth stock, poised for significant expansion over the next decade. Its strategic positioning in response to global healthcare trends, coupled with operational efficiencies, financial health, and a forward-looking approach to healthcare delivery, paints a promising picture of its growth potential. Investors looking for a resilient and growth-oriented stock in the healthcare sector would do well to consider DaVita. Shopify's ascent as a cornerstone of e-commerce innovation crafts a compelling narrative for its standing as a prime growth stock over the coming decade. The Shopify story is emblematic of the digital transformation era, positioning itself as a central player in the future of retail and commerce. Central to Shopify's growth thesis is the ongoing e-commerce revolution. The digital marketplace is expanding at an unprecedented rate, a trend only accelerated by global events such as the COVID-19 pandemic. This shift towards online shopping isn't just a temporary spike, but a permanent evolution in consumer behavior. Shopify, with its comprehensive and user-friendly e-commerce platform, is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. The company empowers businesses of all sizes to establish, grow, and manage their online stores across multiple channels, from web to social media to brick-and-mortar point-of-sale systems. Shopify's growth is also fueled by its adaptability and forward-thinking innovations. The company continuously enhances its platform with advanced features like Shopify Fulfillment Network, Shopify Payments, and Shopify Plus for large enterprises, addressing the entire spectrum of retail needs. These innovations not only attract a broad range of merchants, but also create additional revenue streams for Shopify, diversifying its income and reinforcing its growth prospects. Moreover, Shopify's international expansion strategy significantly contributes to its growth narrative. By localizing its platform for different markets and currencies, Shopify is not just scaling its operations globally, but also tapping into the vast potential of emerging e-commerce markets. This global outreach is pivotal, as it not only drives user growth, but also mitigates the risk of over-reliance on any single market. Another aspect of Shopify's growth story is its ecosystem. Beyond just a platform for merchants, Shopify has cultivated a rich ecosystem that includes a thriving marketplace for third-party developers, a network of professional partners, and a host of integrated services. This ecosystem not only enhances the value proposition for its users, but also fosters a community of innovation around the Shopify platform, driving continuous improvement and adaptation. Financial health and strategic partnerships further underscore Shopify's growth potential. The company has shown strong revenue growth, reflecting its increasing merchant base and expanding service offerings. Strategic partnerships with social media giants and online marketplaces expand Shopify's reach and functionality, making it an even more indispensable tool for businesses navigating the digital landscape. In weaving together these threads, the shift towards e-commerce, continuous innovation, global expansion, a thriving ecosystem, and solid financials, Shopify's narrative as a growth stock is not just compelling, but also deeply rooted in the realities of today's economy. Its position at the forefront of e-commerce innovation, coupled with a broad and growing market appeal, positions Shopify as a standout investment for those looking to capitalize on the digital transformation of retail over the next decade. Before we get to the rest of the stocks, I want to remind you to click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed over 100 stock picking services, and Insider Newsletter gets the best returns. And for a limited time, it's only $1 to try. Airbus, a titan in the aerospace industry, presents an intriguing narrative as a growth stock for the next decade, propelled by its strategic positioning in the evolving dynamics of global aviation and aerospace technology. At the core of Airbus's growth story is the anticipated rebound and expansion of the global aviation sector. Following a period of unprecedented challenges, the industry is poised for a resurgence driven by rising passenger demand, especially in emerging markets. This rebound is not merely a return to pre-pandemic levels, but is underpinned by expanding middle classes in Asia, Africa, and Latin America, who are increasingly able to afford air travel. Airbus, with its broad portfolio of commercial aircraft, is strategically positioned to meet this surging demand, offering a range of highly efficient and technologically advanced aircraft that appeal to airlines aiming to expand their fleets and reduce environmental footprints. The narrative of Airbus's growth is also deeply intertwined with the global push towards sustainability. As environmental concerns take center stage, the aviation industry is under significant pressure to reduce emissions and improve fuel efficiency. Airbus is at the forefront of this transformation, investing heavily in research and development to pioneer the next generation of eco-efficient aircraft. The company's commitment to innovation is evident in its ambitious plans to develop hydrogen-powered and zero-emission aircraft, positioning Airbus as a leader in the race to decarbonize aviation. Another pillar supporting Airbus's growth potential is its expanding footprint in the defense and space sectors. With global defense spending on the rise and the commercial space industry burgeoning, Airbus's diversified operations in satellite technology, military aircraft, and space exploration open up additional avenues for growth. These sectors not only provide stable revenue streams, but also reinforce Airbus's resilience against the cyclicality of commercial aviation. Airbus's strategic acquisitions and partnerships further enhance its growth trajectory. By aligning with technology companies and startups, Airbus is not only broadening its technological capabilities, but also staying ahead of emerging trends in aerospace, such as unmanned aerial vehicles and urban air mobility. These collaborations position Airbus to capitalize on next-generation aerospace innovations and meet future transportation needs. Moreover, Airbus's strong order book provides visibility into its future revenue, underscoring the company's financial health and the enduring demand for its aircraft. This backlog, one of the largest in the industry, is a testament to Airbus's competitive edge and operational excellence, ensuring a steady stream of production and delivery activities that will fuel growth in the years ahead. In summary, Airbus's narrative as a compelling growth stock over the next decade is built on the foundations of a recovering and expanding global aviation market, leadership in sustainability and innovation, diversification into defense and space, strategic partnerships, and a robust order book. These factors collectively paint a promising picture of Airbus's ability to navigate the challenges and opportunities of the aerospace sector, making it a potentially rewarding investment for those looking at the long-term horizon. Microsoft's narrative as a growth stock for the next decade is a compelling fusion of innovation, strategic diversification, and an entrenched position in both the consumer and enterprise technology landscapes. As we peer into the future, the reasons behind Microsoft's potential for sustained growth become clear, painting a picture of a company not just keeping pace with technological evolution, but often leading the charge. At the heart of Microsoft's growth story is its cloud computing division, Azure, which stands as a titan in the cloud industry. Azure's exponential growth trajectory is supported by the accelerating global shift towards digital transformation, a trend that has seen businesses of all sizes migrate their operations to the cloud to leverage its scalability, efficiency, and innovation capabilities. Microsoft's early and ongoing investment in cloud infrastructure and services positions Azure as a key beneficiary of this secular trend, with a vast addressable market still ahead as more enterprises embark on their cloud journeys. Furthermore, Microsoft's ability to integrate its cloud services with its vast array of software offerings, including the ubiquitous Office 365 suite and Dynamics CRM, creates a compelling ecosystem that drives customer loyalty and cross-selling opportunities. This ecosystem approach not only enhances user stickiness but also attracts a broad range of developers and partners, further entrenching Microsoft's position in both the enterprise and consumer markets. Another pillar of Microsoft's growth narrative is its strategic push into artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. By embedding AI across its product portfolio, from Azure's AI services to AI-driven enhancements in Office applications, Microsoft is not only improving its existing offerings, but is also positioning itself at the forefront of a technological revolution that is expected to define the next era of computing. This focus on AI extends to its gaming division through Xbox and the innovative cloud gaming service Xbox Game Pass, highlighting Microsoft's ability to leverage AI to enhance user experiences across its diverse product lines. Microsoft's foray into the metaverse and mixed reality, particularly through its Mesh platform and HoloLens technology, underscores the company's commitment to pioneering future digital experiences. While these technologies are still in their infancy, their potential to revolutionize work, entertainment, and social interaction presents a significant growth opportunity for Microsoft, especially as these technologies mature and find widespread adoption. Moreover, Microsoft's financial health is robust, characterized by strong revenue growth, high margins, and a solid balance sheet. This financial strength enables sustained investment in research and development, strategic acquisitions to bolster its technological capabilities and market position, as seen in its acquisition of LinkedIn and GitHub, and a commitment to returning value to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. In weaving together these elements, leadership in cloud computing, an integrated technology ecosystem, pioneering work in AI and the metaverse, strategic acquisitions, and solid financials, Microsoft's story as a growth stock is not just about its past success, but its potential to continue shaping the future of technology. For investors, Microsoft represents a unique blend of stability and innovation, making it a compelling candidate for long-term growth as it navigates the next decade of technological advancement. Tyler Technologies occupies a unique and compelling position as a growth stock for the next decade, underpinned by its specialized focus on providing integrated software and technology services to the public sector. This narrative of growth is rooted in the indispensable nature of its offerings, the ongoing digital transformation within government operations, and the company's proven track record of innovation and expansion. At the forefront of Tyler Technologies' growth story is the increasing need for modernization and efficiency in government operations. As public entities at all levels, local, state, and federal, face growing pressures to improve services while managing costs, the demand for comprehensive, integrated technology solutions is on the rise. Tyler Technologies meets this need by offering a wide array of software solutions that span everything from court and public safety systems to financial management and school administration platforms. These solutions not only enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of government operations, but also support transparency and accessibility, aligning with public demands for greater accountability. A critical aspect of Tyler Technologies' growth potential is the expansive, yet still largely untapped, market for public sector technology solutions. Many government agencies are in the early stages of digital transformation, operating on outdated legacy systems that are increasingly inadequate for today's needs. Tyler's expertise in navigating the unique challenges and requirements of the public sector positions it as a preferred partner for these entities as they modernize. Furthermore, the recurring revenue model from software subscriptions and services ensures a stable and predictable cash flow for Tyler, enhancing its financial stability and capacity for reinvestment. Innovation and strategic acquisitions have been central to Tyler Technologies' growth strategy. The company has consistently demonstrated its commitment to innovation, investing in cloud-based solutions and emerging technologies that can drive further efficiencies in government operations. These efforts are complemented by a series of strategic acquisitions that have expanded Tyler's product offerings and market reach. Each acquisition is carefully selected to enhance the company's ecosystem of solutions, ensuring that Tyler can meet the evolving needs of its clients and maintain its competitive edge. Another factor contributing to Tyler's growth narrative is the increasing importance of data and analytics in government decision-making. Tyler's solutions are designed to leverage data to improve outcomes, whether through predictive analytics in public safety, data-driven resource allocation in financial management, or enhanced student performance tracking in education. This focus on data not only positions Tyler as a leader in public sector innovation, but also opens up new avenues for growth as governments increasingly prioritize data-driven decision-making. Looking ahead, Tyler Technologies is well positioned to capitalize on the secular trend of digital transformation within the public sector. Its specialized focus, combined with a proven track record of innovation, strategic expansion, and a deep understanding of the unique needs of its clients, sets the stage for continued growth. For investors, Tyler represents an opportunity to invest in a company that not only has a strong growth trajectory, but also plays a critical role in enhancing the efficiency and effectiveness of public sector operations across the United States. Rentokil Initial stands out as an intriguing growth stock for the next decade, woven into the narrative of global urbanization, heightened hygiene standards, and an expanding portfolio of services. This narrative positions Rentokil Initial at the forefront of essential services, offering pest control, hygiene, and property care solutions that are increasingly in demand across both developed and emerging markets. The backbone of Rentokil Initial's growth story is the ever-increasing need for pest control and hygiene services, a demand driven by global trends such as urbanization and climate change. As urban populations swell, the challenges associated with pests and hygiene in densely populated areas become more acute, necessitating professional intervention. Rentokil Initial, with its global footprint and reputation for excellence, is well placed to meet this growing demand. The company's extensive range of services, from pest control to hygiene and indoor air quality, positions it as a comprehensive provider for businesses and individuals alike, ensuring a broad and resilient customer base. A significant aspect of Rentokil Initial's growth potential is its commitment to innovation and sustainability. The company invests in technology-driven solutions that not only enhance the efficacy of its services, but also improve their environmental sustainability. This focus on innovation not only strengthens Rentokil Initial's market position, but also aligns with increasing consumer and regulatory demands for environmentally friendly practices. As businesses and consumers become more environmentally conscious, Rentokil Initial's emphasis on sustainability becomes a competitive advantage. Furthermore, Rentokil Initial's growth narrative is supported by its strategic acquisitions and expansion efforts. The company has a proven track record of successfully integrating acquisitions, allowing it to enter new markets and expand its service offerings. This strategy of growth through acquisition, combined with organic growth initiatives, has enabled Rentokil Initial to achieve a significant presence in key markets worldwide. As the company continues to explore opportunities for expansion, its global reach and comprehensive service portfolio set the stage for sustained growth. Another factor bolstering Rentokil Initial's growth prospects is the evolving regulatory landscape and heightened standards for hygiene and public health. In the wake of global health crises, businesses and governments are placing a greater emphasis on hygiene and pest control to ensure public safety. Rentokil Initial's expertise and range of services position it as a critical partner for organizations looking to meet these heightened standards, driving demand for its services. In summary, Rentokil Initial's narrative as a growth stock over the next decade is anchored in global demographic and environmental trends, a commitment to innovation and sustainability, strategic expansion, and an evolving regulatory environment that underscores the importance of its services. With a strong foundation in essential services and a forward-looking approach to business, Rentokil Initial is poised for continued growth, making it an attractive option for investors seeking exposure to a company that plays a vital role in maintaining public health and safety standards worldwide. And if you really want to make money with the stock market, make sure to click the link in the description to check out Insider Newsletter. I've reviewed hundreds of stock-picking newsletters, and Insider Newsletter performs the best by far. On top of this, it's only $1 to try. So again, click the link in the description to check out this newsletter.